Hey guys, welcome again to Honey's Kitchen. Thank you for always coming back and showing your love and support on my channel. If you are new on my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to teach you how to create these honey barbecue chicken wings. If you would like to know how to make this amazing dish, keep on watching. For this recipe, we need 120 grams or 1 cup of flour, a teaspoon of chili powder, a teaspoon of salt, one teaspoon of black pepper, one teaspoon of paprika, one teaspoon of garlic powder, and 20 pieces of cut chicken wings and drumlets. Then a half cup of honey, and 1 cup of barbecue sauce. First, you have to prepare your baking sheets. Either you have to line it with parchment paper, or you're gonna spray it with a non-stick spray. So I prefer to spray it with a non-stick spray. And then you pot dry your chicken. Make sure it's clean, washed, and then you pot it dry. So we're gonna prepare our coating. So we're gonna have the flour, then you add the salt, the garlic powder, the paprika, the chili powder, and the black pepper. And then you just mixed it all together. And coat your dry, clean chicken one by one in the flour mixture, and then line it up in the tray, one single line. So it will be like this single line, and you coat it properly. And earlier I preheated the oven at 425 degrees, and then we will bake it for 45 minutes. So halfway through of the baking process, you pull out your chicken and then flip it to the other side. Flip all to the other side. Just keep flipping. And then put it back in the oven and finish your baking. So after baking your chicken for 45 minutes in the oven, you adjust your oven into 500 degrees Fahrenheit, and then you mix all together your honey, put it into your barbecue sauce. So you mix your barbecue sauce and your honey properly, and you put your chicken wings, coat it nicely, and then put it back into the baking tray, again lined up in one single line. After you coat it nicely, you pour the remaining sauce into the chicken wings, and then you put it back in the 500-degree oven for and bake it for about 8 to 10 minutes. So I pulled it out from the oven, and then we will plate it, put it in the plate nicely, and it's ready to eat. So this is the finished product of our dish for today, the honey barbecue chicken wings. If you didn't catch up all the ingredients, again, I will write it down on the description below. This is a flexible dish because you can eat it as an appetizer, or just on your movie night, or at the side of your glass of beer and an afternoon snacks. Hope you learn from my recipe today, and hope you're gonna try and recreate your own honey barbecue chicken wings. Thank you again for watching, guys, and please don't forget to subscribe and push the bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new amazing recipe. So, hope you enjoy our cooking today. Always take care, keep safe and healthy, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video.